Today we're going to talk about a very special car. This one, the 911SC. This one is my personal favorite car. This is the car that started my whole passion in cars and restoration. In 2018, I took it out to drive and I liked it very much. Why I liked it very much? Because it was very raw, nimble, and it was a very fun car to drive. And because of that, I took the liberty to rebuild the car. What we rebuilt in 2018-19, we rebuilt the engine and the gearbox. Just that to itself, it cost me about, back then, 120 to 140,000 just on the engine and the gearbox. In aesthetic wise, nothing changed. Well, I did something. I tried to do a headlight, which the guy unfortunately did not do very well and lost this part and just ignored me for it. And yeah, that was that. And I drove it once a while. And it was kept it here. So for the past couple of years, I met a person. His name is 𝗬𝗏. He has spent 5 years of his life rebuilding his 930 Turbo from scratch. What I meant from scratch was literally in a workshop, everything came out apart. He took it back himself and rebuilt by himself. At the same time, did carbon fiber parts on the body and the stitching. Every single thing, electronics, wiring, which we'll probably talk on the next episode. So we met him and we decided to make this car as one of our project car for JPM Atelier with a new company we formed. It's called TXM. Well, the details will be done in the later future. Today, I will tell you and show you about what we're gonna do with this car. Like I said, I wasn't happy with the lights because under the dark, if you look at it, the lights are cockeye. I can't do it, but some people naturally can do it. And the guy just said it's like that. I'm not particularly happy with him, so whatever. So yes, we'll be working together with Porsche Classic and JB to build this car as part of the project, okay, and to get a certification that is done completion by them. So that is the rough idea of what we're gonna do with this car. As time goes by, I will be doing it. Apparently, that's the condition of 𝗬𝗏 rebuilding this car with me. I don't even know what the hell is what. If you look at the engine bay, I don't know what is what actually, but it's just metal. But what we're gonna do is probably gonna take about 12 months to complete this build. Okay, so now it's March. So next year, March, we have to finish it. So I've said it. So yes, me talking about how we're gonna build this car with carbon fiber parts, headlights, interior, blah, 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 may sound, far-fetched. What we're gonna do is we're gonna show you in the next video what 𝗬𝗏 did with his car, which is at 99% completion. Then you have a glimpse and an idea of what this car will be. So that will be on the next video. So what do you guys think? You guys think that I can actually build this car or not? So let us know. See you on the next video.